no fucking good.
Oh,
No, I was looking for this shit.
It's fucking cold.
I grabbed everything else.
This is wins.
Dude, this motherfucker slid forever.
Yeah, man, get a shot of this helmet.
I'm surprised the case didn't bust.
All the way around. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, just did a damn. Look at that. All the way around that bastard.
Damn.
All through there.
Imagine that.
That's why it's a good idea to have one.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Always wear your gear, children. It's a lesson for the day.
Don't try that with this.
Don't crank that fucker. It's leaking gas.
Yeah.
Woo.
God damn. No, that shit ain't going nowhere.
I told you that bitch did on the wheel.
I'd say that thing's alive. I think that thing just saw its last mile.
That bitch still on, man.
On that one side, man.
That bitch came apart good. Huh? Lego.
Give me a little light on this biatch.
Dude, yeah, just go fucking run up in the woods.
No, you gonna have to, man.
Got the light and everything.
Feel this shit.
Pipe. I did have a brand name on it, right?
Crashed 2 months ago.
Then I crashed fucking 4 months before that. Total Mars.
Me tengo los guantes.
Yeah. Wearing a t-shirt.
Me coja
Fucking big old.
Brake fluid.
It's probably your best bet. Put that shit in the trees over there. Put on parts with it.
Alright, man, we're fucking out here. Yeah, this dude just dropped his fucking FCR. Fucking trashed that bitch. He's got some kick. Dude dropped his FCR, man. He fucking totaled this bitch.
He said, shut up, man.
Oh, sorry, man. I'm just telling my boy he's coming out. Sorry, man. I ain't trying to, like.
Nah, I'm just fucking.